Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. My name is Fadhil and I'm here to introduce you about my portfolio. Anything about me and what have I done until now, especially for my experience with mobile and website developing. Before that, my name is Fadhil born in Tangerang Selatan. I'm 16 years old now, and I'm currently studying at IDN Boarding School at software development major. And then I have created this portfolio like half a year before, and I'm creating this portfolio by the reference of my teacher, and all the information about it is based on me. So first of all, it is a homepage for my website. This is my name here, and this is a little description about me. I'm a passionate mobile and web developer from Tangerang. And here is my picture when I'm in Jogja, especially in London Kidul. So there is some section here like home, both there's some like navbar, and then below here there is many of my social media account like this for GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Dribble, and video. So let's moving on to the about section. Yes, here again, I am a mobile and website developer. I learned mobile and website development and make some example of the projects, which must experience in developing apps as a team can collaborate and communicate with others. There is my phone call here, and my email here to contact me. Young and active man with there's just a small description about me here, and then down here there's a section that shows how many projects that have I done and year of experience that I have been through and how much the certification that I have got for this. And down here is some of the skills that I think pretty accurate of me. So it is 95% of website development, Bootstrap, React, and Android, and another thing. So website development is like anything about website, including the backend. So the front end thing is not very much complicated, but the backend thing is more harder things. And Bootstrap is like for the website front end framework. Is just the thing that help you easier to make website. And then React is just the same as the front end framework, but it is using JavaScript. And I think it is a cool thing, but I don't recommend you if you want to go through the easy way. And then for Android development, we're using the new Kotlin language for Android development. Then we're using the XML as the front end, and then the basic Android Kotlin language for the backend. And then for front end, I haven't really understand about Flutter, but I've made some project of the on the example, and I think it's pretty close to React, but there is the code is just stack each other in Flutter. And for the UI UX design, we're just using like Figma to create the UI of an application or website, and then make the responsibility and make the transformation, make the flow of an application, and that's all. And down here, what very much my interest, what Android, website, Flutter, GitHub, and pretty much all the things that I've been through this year. Firebase, and one of my favorite is the website, because it's not really very hard to do, and have many, yeah, have many effects.
6 minutes again. Maybe you can tell your projects.
Yeah, this is the third section about my resume. Yeah, this is the summary, a simple description about me. About I have 2 years of experience on the developing website and application. And here's my education. My junior high school is on Darul Quran Mulia Islamic Boarding School in Bogor. I learned about Quran, language, and about Tauhid, and about leadership, and about tarbiyah, and all other things. And now I am in the IDM as a software engineer in the boarding school in Bogor. We do also leadership camp, English camp, IT camp, training, and also teaching in other school. And then I am mentoring too, exam and scholarship program. I have been appointed to submit a request for a scholarship program, but sadly didn't get yet. And then in the right here, I have some experience that I show in my resume. The first of all is mobile application, and for the mobile application, I'm using Android to make the Notes application projects. The Notes mobile application project is based on Android and using the simple local storage to store the data of your notes in your phone without any internet. And then the second is website application is Everstyle e-commerce website. This Everstyle is the name of the website, and this is the website that I am using to do in the IDN IT Fest competition. And this is just like the front end of e-commerce website, showing the brand is lifewear. So anything about shirt and your outwear, there is the full website application of it. And the third one is multi-platform application. I'm creating news application project for Flutter app based on Flutter, because it can be multi-platform on iOS or an Android, using the public API to get the latest news from global. And last but not least, designing application. I'm making food application mock-up, the application to order food, but only the UI and UX. We get next to the service. This is some of my service. I'm capable of Android development, website development, and UI UX design. So for Android development, I can use Kotlin, Retrofit, MVVM architecture, XML API, and Android Studio as the text editor. And then on the website application, like the basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then Bootstrap, Node.js as the backend, Node.js as the backend of Studio Code. And lately I have learned about Laravel. I haven't put it in there yet. And then the designing of mobile and website application, I'm currently using Figma. And then here is my works for the past 2 years. You can see here. The first one is the Notes app that using Android, and there is all the features there in the list, pretty small. And then this is my portfolio that I'm currently showing right now. And this is the mock-up of application, of the news application, just the UI. And then this is the vaccine mock-up also, for it's only the UI. And this is the website application, Hidden Gourmet. We create this together with my mentor, Mr. Fahmi. And then this smart alarm app is also an Android application that I created in my second year. This is by far the most complicated things in Android that I have made. And this and Zikir and Doa application. This is just the UI, but we also make the application of it. So we create the UI and so we can create the application of it, and it's really working. This is the UI of food application. I made this with my friend Aksan in team, in pair. And then this is the last my portfolio, but in application in Android. So yeah, but maybe that's all about my experience. There is more, but I only show like this, but not all. And then the last section here is my contact. There's information about me, my addresses, my social profile. There's the link of everything here, my email and my contact here. You can also, if you go through this website, you can write your name, email, and whatever you want to send me a message or any job appointment to me. Maybe that's from me. For myself, my name is Fadhil Muhammad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi